esquina. Cuidado. ¿Dónde?
Tiny fortress.
Very, very small. Not the size of your small couple. I see you.
I saw one poster that's been.
¿Qué?
Por eso se llama puerto.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe to never miss anyone. So then, let's wander.